Every batch of non-alcoholic beer begins with the same premium malted barley used in traditional brewing, selected for its superior enzyme activity and flavor extraction potential.
Malting is the critical preparatory step, where raw barley is germinated and kilned to activate the enzymes.
Incoming malt quality directly determines the brewing efficiency and flavor profile of the finished beer. Every delivery is comprehensively tested before acceptance. Hops provide the characteristic bitterness and aromatic complexity that balance the malt sweetness, contributing floral, citrus, and herbal flavor notes. The non-alcoholic recipe uses a careful designed grain blend, combining barley malt with adjunct grains to create a lighter, more refreshing flavor profile. The mill gap is precisely adjusted to crack every grain open and expose its starchy interior while keeping the husk in. The crushed grain grist must reach the mash tank quickly to prevent moisture absorption that would cause premature enzyme activation outside the controlled mashing environment. The brewmaster's assessment of grist quality is based on decades of experience, complementing the laboratory analysis with hands-on sensory evaluation. The brewhouse is the ceremonial heart of the facility, where massive copper-clad vessels transform humble grain and water into. Inside the mash tun, billions of natural malt enzymes are breaking down starch molecules into simple sugars at a rate of millions of molecular conversions per second. The multi-step temperature program activates different enzyme groups at their specific optimal temperatures to achieve the desired sugar composition and body characteristics. Lautering is the separation step where the sweet, sugar-rich liquid called Wort is filtered through the natural grain husk bed, leaving behind the exhausted spent grain solids. Sparging rinses the grain bed with heated water to extract the maximum amount of sugar, improving brewing efficiency without extracting harsh tannin flavors from the husks. Spent grain is a valuable co-product, rich in protein and fiber, delivered fresh to local farms as nutritious cattle feed. The clear sweet wort, now a concentrated sugar solution extracted from the grain, approaches the most dramatic thermal process in the brewhouse, the violent rolling boil. Wort tasting by the master brewer provides critical sensory quality information that laboratory instruments alone cannot fully capture. Three massive vessels operating on staggered schedules ensure continuous wort production throughout every brewing shift.
The copper brew kettle is the most visually dramatic vessel in the entire facility, producing a violent sustained.
Hop additions are timed precisely during the boil. Early additions provide bitterness. Late additions provide aromatic hop flavor and aroma without excessive bitterness. The boiling process isomerizes the hop alpha acids into soluble iso-alpha acids, creating the characteristic clean. Steam recovery captures the thermal energy from the massive boil for reuse in subsequent brewing operations, significantly reducing the facility's overall energy consumption. Boil duration directly controls the intensity of hop bitterness extraction, protein coagulation, and flavor compound development in the finished wort. The whirlpool separates hot trub, the coagulated protein and hop debris, from the clear hopped wort by exploiting the centripetal settling effect of the spinning liquid. Rapid cooling through the plate heat exchanger drops the wort temperature from boiling to the precise fermentation temperature in under 6 seconds. The cooled wort must precisely match every recipe specification before yeast is added, as post-fermentation correction is significantly more difficult and limited. Late aroma hops are added after the boil to preserve the delicate volatile compounds that create the distinctive hoppy aroma without additional bitterness. Pre-fermentation oxygenation provides the dissolved oxygen essential for healthy yeast cell membrane synthesis during the initial growth phase. Inside these massive sealed tanks, carefully selected brewing yeast organisms consume the malt sugars and produce. The yeast strain has been carefully selected for its ability to produce desirable flavor esters and suppress unwanted off-flavor compounds. The gravity decline curve is the primary diagnostic tool for monitoring fermentation health, with the rate and shape of tanner. This is what makes this facility unique. The dealcoholization system removes the ethanol from fully fermented beers. Vacuum distillation exploits the difference in boiling points between ethanol and water. Under deep vacuum, alcohol evaporations. The thin film configuration maximizes the surface area for gentle alcohol evaporation while minimizing the thermal exposure time. The recovered alcohol is not wasted. It is collected and sold to the industrial ethanol market for use in sanitizers. The finished product must achieve an analytically verified 0.00% ethanol content. Recarbonation restores the characteristic lively fizzy mouthfeel that the beer lost during the vacuum dealcoholization process. The ultimate quality challenge of non-alcoholic beer is achieving a flavor profile indistinguishable from the alcoholic original, despite the aggressive dealcoholization processing. Filtration transforms the hazy raw beer into the crystal clear, brilliant golden finished product consumers expect in the glass. Beer clarity is both a quality metric and a consumer expectation. Brilliant optical clarity signals premium quality and careful processing.
The bright beer tank provides the final staging and saging and conditioning step, where carbonation, flavor, and stability.
The sensory panel provides the definitive human evaluation that determines whether the finished beer delivers the intended consumption experience. The brewmaster's personal evaluation of every batch is the ultimate quality authority, integrating decades of sensory experience. Gas chromatography provides the regulatory-grade alcohol measurement required for legal labeling compliance in every market. With all quality parameters verified and the brewmaster's personal approval given, the finished non-alcoholic beer races toward the packaging lines. Foam stability is a critical quality indicator. Consumers expect a thick, persistent, creamy head when pouring non-alcoholic beer. Batch release integrates all brewing, dealcoholization, filtration, and sensory data into one comprehensive judgment. Pressure holding steady at 20 psi. Confirmed on the logs, brewmaster. All parameters are green. Excellent, let's start the lines. Activating sequence now. The packaging hall operates the most intensive machinery in the facility, filling over 100,000 bottles and cans per hour across parallel high-speed lines. The dark amber glass provides UV light protection that prevents the photooxidation reaction responsible for the undesirable skunky off flavor in light-struck beer.
Every package passes multiple automated quality checkpoints at full production speed.
Tunnel pasteurization ensures long-term microbiological stability throughout the commercial shelf life. Pasteurized and cooled, the sealed packages proceed to their final consumer-facing packaging operation.
The labeling operation transforms anonymous sealed bottles into the recognizable branded consumer product.
The classic six-pack format serves convenience retail and is the most iconic beer packaging format worldwide. The keg format serves bars, restaurants, and events where draught-poured non-alcoholic beer provides the authentic on-tap experience.
Multiple formats merge for consolidated distribution processing.
Pallet patterns optimized for maximum structural stability and trailer space utilization.
Product secured for domestic and international distribution. Complete logistics tracking from brewery to retail shelf. The warehouse holds enough product to supply an entire distribution region for a full week. Automated systems continuously optimize inventory positioning for fastest order fulfillment.
Distribution operates around the clock to serve the surging global non-alcoholic beer market. Each departing trailer carries enough non-alcoholic beer to serve a major sporting event. The global non-alcoholic beer market is the fastest-growing segment in the entire beverage industry, driving aggressive international export expansion. Temperature-sensitive export markets require continuous cold chain monitoring for premium quality preservation. Returnable glass bottle programs dramatically reduce packaging waste and material consumption. Only bottles passing every visual and dimensional inspection criterion are approved for refilling. Non-conforming bottles are recycled into new glass. Each returnable bottle can complete up to 30 filling cycles, dramatically reducing per-serving packaging environmental impact. From the command center, the brewmaster monitors every brewhouse vessel, fermentation tank, dealcoholization column, and packaging line. Hop addition timing within minutes can significantly shift the balance between bitterness and aromatic hop character in the finished beer. The board provides instant overview of the entire integrated brewing and packaging operation. Brew kettle descaling removes mineral deposits that reduce heat transfer efficiency and can harbor contaminating organisms. Strategic planning ensures the fermentation hall capacity is optimally utilized across multiple product variants. The pilot brewery enables experimental brewing at 100th production scale, reducing the cost and risk of recipe innovation.
The brewmaster describes the massive rolling boil of the copper kettle as one of the most beautiful and powerful sights in industrial food production.
When darkness falls, the fermentation tanks continue their quiet biological work, while the bottling lines maintain their relentless pace. Billions of yeast cells work through the night, slowly consuming the last traces of sugar and developing the complex flavors that define this non-alcoholic beer.
One solitary brewmaster watches over the entire overnight fermentation and packaging operation. Millions of sealed bottles of non-alcoholic beer march toward the warehouse. The copper vessels have brewed continuously for decades, their warm patina deepening with each passing year. Absolute cleanliness maintained even in complete darkness.
An eternal river of amber bottles flows through the darkness.
From barley grain to sealed non-alcoholic beer, the process spans weeks of patient craftsmanship. Engineering meets ancient brewing tradition in this modern, non-alcoholic facility. One sealed bottle, born from the marriage of ancient brewing craft and modern dealcoholization science. This facility proves that non-alcoholic beer can be brewed with the same passion, craft, and quality as any traditional beer. It all begins here, golden barley swaying in the sun, destined to become the malt that defines this non-alcoholic beer's character. The brewery exists in eternal balance, grain arriving and sealed bottles departing. The extraordinary journey culminates in this simple, joyful moment. Friends sharing the pleasure of great beer without the alcohol. And so the ancient cycle begins once more. Grain, water, hops, and yeast creating beer without alcohol.
New workers arrive to sustain the brewing rhythm.
From above, the marriage of traditional architecture and modern engineering is breathtaking. The ancient alchemy of starch conversion begins once more inside the massive copper-clad vessel. Every vessel brewing, every tank fermenting, every line filling, the non-alcoholic brewery at its magnificent full capacity. From barley field to brew kettle to dinner table. All the flavor, all the craft, none of the alcohol. The humble bottle of non-alcoholic beer, grain, hops, water, yeast, and the courage to innovate. Behind it, an ancient craft.